Why is the condenser essential for refrigeration cycles? Imagine a refrigerator working tirelessly to keep your food fresh. Have you ever wondered what makes that cooling process possible? Well, the secret lies in a key component called the condenser. The condenser plays a vital role in the refrigeration cycle, which is all about moving heat from one place to another. Without it, the whole system would struggle to do its job. In simple terms, the condenser takes the hot, high-pressure refrigerant vapor that comes from the compressor and cools it down. It's like a radiator that releases heat into the air or water around it. As the refrigerant cools, it changes from a vapor into a liquid, but it still stays under high pressure. This phase change is essential because it prepares the refrigerant for the next step in the cycle, which is evaporation. The main reason the condenser is so important is because it gets rid of the heat that the refrigerant absorbed earlier in the cycle. When the refrigerant absorbs heat in the evaporator, it turns into a low-pressure vapor. The compressor then squeezes this vapor, raising its pressure and temperature. The hot, high-pressure vapor then flows into the condenser. Here, the condenser's job is to transfer that heat away to the surroundings, whether it's air or water. This process cools the vapor down, causing it to condense into a liquid. This phase change from vapor to liquid is what keeps the refrigeration cycle moving smoothly. If the refrigerant didn't condense properly, it wouldn't be able to expand and evaporate again in the evaporator. That means no cooling would happen. The condenser also helps keep the system running efficiently by preventing pressure and temperature from rising too high. If the condenser isn't working well, the compressor has to work harder, which uses more energy and can wear out the system faster. In practical terms, the condenser is usually made of coils and fins that maximize heat transfer. Fans or water flow help carry away the heat from these coils. When the condenser works properly, it keeps the system cool and saves energy. If it fails or becomes dirty, the system's cooling power drops and energy costs go up. That's why regular maintenance of the condenser is so important for any refrigeration or air conditioning system. So, in essence, the condenser is the heart of the heat rejection process. It makes sure the refrigerant is ready to absorb heat again in the evaporator. Without it, the cycle would break down and cooling would stop. It's a simple but powerful part that keeps your refrigerators, air conditioners, and chillers running smoothly and efficiently.